If you ever walked out of a factory in China feeling confident after 1 hour tour, there is a high probability you misread what you saw. The machines looked modern. The production line was clean. The management team said yes to every request. But factory visits are curated environments. They are designed to show capability, not vulnerability. And if you don't know what to look for, you may leave believing you have reduced risk, when in reality you have only reduced uncertainty in your own mind. Let's break down what executives consistently get wrong. A factory tour is a controlled environment. When you visit a factory, you are seeing the production line, the most organized section, the cleanest process, the strongest supervisors. You are not seeing the delayed orders, the stressed production shifts, the overloaded subcontractors, the bottleneck under pressure. Every factory optimizes presentation during the visits. That is normal. It is not deception. It is performance management. Executives who mistake presentation for full transparency create blind spots. The signals most CEOs ignore. Operational stress leaves traces, but they are subtle. Look at materials staging areas. Are they congested? Work in progress inventory. Is it stacked unusually high? Shift change behavior. Do workers look exhausted? Quality control areas. Are rework stations active? These signals reveal more than polished meeting rooms. Also, pay attention to rhythm. Is production flow smooth? Or do you see micro stops? Real operational truth lives in the rhythm of the floor, not on the PowerPoint in the conference room. The wrong questions create safe answers. Many executives ask, can you increase capacity by 20%? The factory answers, yes, we can try. Wrong question. Instead ask, if I increase volume 20%, what breaks first? That changes the conversation. Now you get operational truth. The goal of a factory visit is not reassurance. It is a risk discovery. Real factory evaluation is structural. Strong executives separate presentation seasons from operational deep dive. They ask for leave order board access, raw material sourcing clarity, dependency on key engineers, supply concentration breakdown. This shifts the meeting from image to structure. When a supplier sees that you understand system pressure, they respond differently. Trust me. Respect increases. Transparency increases. Leverage increases. Factory visits are not about comfort. They are about clarity. If you only evaluate what is shown, you are evaluating performance. If you understand what is hidden, you are evaluating resilience. And resilience, not presentation. Determines survival under pressure. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.